A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal move, the U.S. Department of Justice has filed a lawsuit against Virginia's election officials, alleging violations of federal election law that could impact the upcoming elections. The lawsuit, lodged in U.S. District Court in Alexandria, centers around an executive order issued by Republican Governor Glenn Youngkin in August. This order mandates daily updates to voter lists, allowing the removal of ineligible voters. However, the Justice Department argues that this practice contravenes the National Voter Registration Act, which stipulates a crucial 90-day, quiet period preceding elections to maintain the integrity of voter rolls. Assistant U.S. Attorney General Kristen Clarke emphasized the importance of this restriction, stating, "Congress adopted the National Voter Registration Act's quiet period restriction to prevent error-prone, 11th-hour efforts that all too often disenfranchise qualified voters." This legal action highlights a growing concern over voter suppression and the rights of citizens to participate in the democratic process. The right to vote is not just a privilege. It is a fundamental aspect of democracy that must be safeguarded. The Justice Department's commitment to protecting the rights of qualified voters is evident in their swift response to what they perceive as a potential threat to electoral integrity. As the November 5th election approaches, the implications of this lawsuit could reverberate throughout Virginia and beyond. Legal experts are closely monitoring the situation, as the outcome may set a precedent for how states manage their voter rolls in compliance with federal law. The controversy raises important questions about the balance between maintaining accurate voter lists and ensuring that eligible voters are not unjustly removed from the rolls. Critics of the executive order argue that it creates a precarious situation for many voters who may be at risk of being disenfranchised due to administrative errors or miscommunication. The Justice Department's action serves as a reminder of the ongoing national conversation about voting rights and election integrity. As states navigate the complexities of voter registration and maintenance, the need for clarity and adherence to federal guidelines becomes increasingly critical. The lawsuit is also part of a broader trend where federal authorities are stepping in to address perceived injustices in state-level voting practices. With the midterm elections on the horizon, the stakes are high, and the eyes of the nation are on Virginia. The Justice Department's lawsuit not only seeks to halt the implementation of the executive order, but also aims to ensure that all qualified voters in Virginia have the opportunity to cast their ballots without fear of being unjustly removed from the voter rolls. This legal battle may unfold in the coming weeks, and its outcome could have lasting implications for the electoral landscape in Virginia and potentially influence how other states approach voter registration and maintenance. As citizens prepare to head to the polls, the focus remains on ensuring that every eligible vote counts. The right to vote is indeed the cornerstone of democracy, and as such, it is imperative that all measures are taken to protect it. The Justice Department's intervention in this matter underscores the importance of vigilance in safeguarding electoral rights, and it serves as a call to action for all stakeholders involved in the democratic process. The situation in Virginia exemplifies the ongoing challenges faced by election officials and lawmakers in balancing the need for accurate voter rolls with the imperative to protect the voting rights of all citizens. As the legal proceedings unfold, it is essential for voters to stay informed and engaged in the process, ensuring that their voices are heard and their rights are upheld. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.